Hey, hi. So basically, I need to explain why I used all these scopes. There are Google Sheet scopes and there's a cloud storage scope, out of which five scopes are sensitive. So there needs to be an explanation, which is good. Okay. So I created an application for processing invoices, and basically it uses a cloud document AI processor, which is specific for the invoices, and it gets the documents processed and parses the information, which is pretty much the output. And I created a UI to show those output. And yeah, like you can show more fields, you can edit, you can write more about them, blah blah blah. And you can view the PDF side by side. Each document can be specifically modified and can be exported. Export to sheet, if there's a button, you can export to Google Sheet. And you can see the sheet. The documents are very clearly parsed in like around how many fields are there, I don't remember. No. There are a lot of fields, and these are all those which are required for invoices. And these are processed with the help of the Cloud Document AI processor. So the document AI processor requires the authentication for cloud storage, and all those other scopes for Google Sheets were required for editing and getting the info again and authenticating for the sheet and exporting the data back, rewriting the sheet. For all those purposes, the other sensitive scopes of sheet, Google Sheets API was required. And for getting the permission to use the document AI processor, the cloud storage sensitive scope was required. The processor basically uses my identity for getting the refresh token, and once it obtains the refresh token, it reuses it again and again. And the Sheets API is working fine. It's using the authentication of the user once, and then the refresh token is stored and can be used again and again. It isn't causing any problem right now. It's working fine. It's working great. And yeah, so here's the application, here's the complete. I think I've explained it all, why the processor is, why the particular scopes are required. Also, like here's a Postman sample for the scopes for the processor, storage, full control, and cloud platform, but they are under that particular scope. So, and there are other uses also. So for which the particular cloud storage scope works well. It basically obtains the authentication and stores the access token in Firebase Cloud, and then can be used again and again for the processing task. So I think this basic application just takes the invoices and input, converts them, parses them with the processor, and stores them to Firebase Cloud. And the particular um, yeah, the past information can be viewed again, edited again, and can be exported to sheet again and again. I mean, it just overrides the sheet, just being it append to it. But yeah, basically, I think you get the idea. So that's it. Then for that, I used all those particular sensitive scopes, and all of them are really important for the application to work. So I think you get it. Yeah, nice talking to you.